Happy Veterans Day, everyone. Well, after a wet one last night, we're still seeing some isolated showers early this morning, but they won't be around for much longer. In fact, by 8 a.m., I think the chance is only in the eastern part of the area. We'll mention a chance for isolated showers for Beaver Dam, Watertown, Lake Geneva, and areas to the east, but I think already completely dry by 8 a.m. Madison and areas west. And I do think this isolated activity is all going to be gone, even in the eastern part of the area, by 10 a.m. this morning. And then we're actually going to see some pretty good sunshine this afternoon, but it is going to be feeling way different than yesterday. After those record-breaking highs in the low 70s, look at high temperatures today. Most of us only in the mid to upper 30s, maybe getting to around 40 degrees in Racine, Kenosha, but that is it. And unfortunately, not going to be feeling this warm. It is going to be breezy throughout the day, particularly in the afternoon, gusts around 25 miles per hour. So I hate to say it, but you got to take about 10 degrees off these temperatures. I do think a lot of us are going to be stuck with feels like temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. That's what you need to be prepared for this afternoon. So don't dress like you did yesterday. You're going to be feeling completely different. 8 o'clock this evening, because the cloud cover is going to be increasing again tonight, our temperatures aren't going to tumble, and also because it's going to be staying breezy, that's also going to keep our temperatures up. But that also means that we're going to continue to be dealing with a wind chill factor. So 8 o'clock this evening, still going to be breezy with those gusts around 20 miles per hour. So we're talking about, unfortunately, feels like temperatures probably in the low 20s, even though most of us will be in the low 30s. But you don't have to worry about any rain or snow. That's good news. And we're going to stay dry through the overnight hours. Here we are, 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. And notice how temperatures are still hanging out in the low to perhaps the mid 30s. And it's still going to be breezy tomorrow morning and staying breezy throughout the day. Also, in the afternoon tomorrow, looks like we're going to be dealing with some isolated snow showers. I think the chance for these isolated snow showers is going to begin about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Notice how the cloud cover filling back in, and so that's eliminating the chance for any warm up tomorrow. We're talking about high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s and still seeing gusts around 20 miles per hour. So feels like temperatures, once again, mid to upper 20s. The best chance for seeing this isolated snow shower activity is going to be in the late afternoon, it looks like. And it does look like a little bit more activity to the east versus the west. Right now, looking like some in the western part of the area may not see any of this snow shower activity. The best chance will be for places like Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha. Not a guarantee. I still think even in the eastern part of the area, we might see some miss out. And at the most, if you get a couple of these light snow showers to work over, you might see about 1/10 of an inch of snow, but that's going to be it. And then I do think, though, this activity is probably going to linger into the early evening hours on Saturday. I think by 9 o'clock, it's all going to be out of here. And fortunately, when the sun sets tomorrow, the winds are going to be dying down. And they're mainly only going to be around 10 miles per hour, so a pretty minimal wind chill factor, finally. I think we'll only have to take about 5 degrees off the temperatures, so the winds aren't going to go calm. I do want to stress that, but not as bad as this steady, breezy conditions that we're going to be seeing through Saturday. Finally, this brings us to Sunday. Unfortunately, still a cold day, but better than Saturday in the sense that we are going to have mostly sunny skies. You don't have to worry about any isolated snow showers. Yes, high temperatures just in the mid to upper 30s, below normal for this time of year, but just a light breeze for Sunday afternoon, gusts around 15 miles per hour, so you only have to take about 5 degrees off these temperatures.